Yeah, sorry I'm gonna be late. I have the plumber here right now and he's fixing my sink. Yeah, I gotta go. Bye. Hey, sir.
Sorry.
Properly.
Were my pipes dirty?
I don't know. I just checked the spray valve and the tailpiece.
Did you clean my pipes? I don't have that much money.
Yeah, well, it doesn't really make sense to do it anyway, so.
Well, maybe if I can figure out another form of payment?
You mean like
इसीलिए समझ रहे हो ना बस यही है
Yeah, that's fine.
No, I mean like maybe if you take care of my pipes, I can take care of your pipe.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit
तो रुको जरा
अभी और सुनिए
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना